Hi, baby. Get down. So, I have all my seed starts. And I'm going to transplant some in these pots. And some of them didn't sprout, so I'm going to put extra seeds in them and get them going. So, like these have a couple. Hi, yes. Hi, my baby. Get down. So that's what I'm doing today. So I have my cocoa grow bag and get down. Yes, honey. I'm gonna put them in this container so it's easier to. I like to use these because it's easier to transplant and the roots will go right through. Just a mulch like that. Well, not mulch, it's cocoa. See, you can see the roots already starting to show. So I pinch off the bottom leaves. Put in there. I'm gonna put that on there. It's filled to the top. Place it in there. So I'm gonna be doing that to all these today. I like this one has 2 separate plants. So I did bring my tape. Oh, my marker fell out. It's not good. So this one's a pink ox. Pink ox heart. So I only got 24 of these planters. So anything with big roots I'm gonna put in here. Like these peppers, they could stay in here. I just want to transplant my tomatoes because they're not ready yet. Usually I'd have a thing of water to help separate the roots easily, but I don't today. Same as this one, pinch the bottom leaves and I fill the dirt in a little bit higher, like right there. And I just put the leaves back in. Because I still got a good month to keep them inside, so it's okay to transplant outside. And these are gonna get a lot bigger because these are only 4 weeks old. Planted them on the 9th and today is the 30th. So the ones that didn't sprout, I already have. So I think I'm just gonna put that dirt in here. there's already 2. I will be planting today. Majority of these are going in my Greenstalks. That's why I'm showing you this. So I have Roma tomatoes, your basic bell peppers. I love snack peppers. So do my kids, so I grew those. I love the color purple, so I grew purple. Pepperoncinis, my uncle loves those, and so do I in my sandwiches, so I grew those. We got watermelon. I should transplant those. This is cucamelon. And then, where are they? My basic bell peppers from a pack, a variety pack, so I don't know if they're red, yellow, or green. In here, if you've seen, they were, I got yellow zucchini, regular zucchinis, pickling cucumbers. I got regular cucumbers. And then I have my pink oxheart tomatoes. I love them. They're juicy. I grew them 2 seasons ago. The Tigerella tomato is beautiful. It has stripes. There is one tomato that, oh, I think I had the tomato small. I labeled small because it is a, I want to say a salad tomato. So that's why I grew those. My daughter likes going in the garden, picking them. I just replanted the cantaloupe seeds because they did not sprout. I love Roma tomatoes. I make sauces and everything, so that's why I transplanted all my Romas. And I don't know what this is. I'll look back at the video and see what I put in here. But yeah, that's about it, what I have. My other stuff like the peas, lettuce, and everything are already in the Greenstalk, so this is for spring. So thank you for watching this video and have a good one.